Unbox Papercraft Society box 55 with me. Now today we are looking at a box from Lynette Jasper of Pretty Gets Gritty. We have got a project booklet, 32 pages, jam-packed full of projects, step-by-step and inspiration. We have also got a wallet in here that is full of goodies. So the first thing we've got is some dies and some stencils. These are huge. I'm absolutely going to love playing with those. We've got some coloured ephemera and it's all die cut for us already. Beautiful florals. And we've also got some other die cut pieces, sentiments and images. And these have got a bit of a retro theme. Now inside the tissue paper there's always more. We have got a tub of gesso there. We have also got 2 small jars of watercolour ink. These are really well saturated, beautiful blue and a magenta pink. We have got a spritz bottle, perfect for making your own spritz or spraying water, and some stamen. Now I'm going to assume that those stamen are going to work perfectly with the flower dies that we have in the wallet and the gesso with the stencil. Now everything included in this box retails at around £60, but you can get yours for only £27.99 exclusively at CraftStash.